Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix a Tesla heater not working. Now, usually what happens is it happens due to issues with airflows and filters. So just check the airflow, ensure that all the vents are actually open, they're not blocked by any debris or objects, and consider when your cabin air filter was last replaced. Because if you have a clogged filter, that can restrict airflow and impact heating efficiency. It makes the system work harder or just seem less effective. So try replacing it. And if that doesn't fix your issue, it could indicate a problem with the heating element, compressor, or a more complex sensor fault. So in such cases, I would suggest just schedule a service appointment with Tesla. And what you can also do is just perform a soft reset. So you hold these two scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the Tesla touchscreen goes black and the Tesla logo reappears. This often clears those minor software bugs affecting climate control. And that could usually solve your issue as well. But otherwise, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.